In this video, we are going to see that if you see this error while trying to connect with a specific Wi-Fi, can't connect to this network. And it's so frustrating. Even if you try a couple of times, it won't be able to connect to the network. So here's a quick solution, or a couple of quick solutions for that, and one of them might work for you. So first of all, just open up the start menu and just write here CMD. And once we see this option, just right click here in the command prompt, run as administrator, click yes. Let me just zoom it a little bit so that you can see what we are typing here. Just write ipconfig, give a space, and just write /, which is inclined towards right, flushed DNS. Flushed DNS should be one word without any gap. Hit enter. And it will say here successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. And after that, just write here NETSH, give a space and just write winsock space reset, hit enter. And it will say successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So after that, just close out of here, just restart your computer to make all the settings effective. So let me just quickly restart this. Okay, so now I have restarted and fast forwarded this process. Now after the restart is done, what we can do is we can reset all the network settings, or basically we want to reset our network. This will help us to connect to any network after that. But just remember that if you know the credentials of the Wi-Fi that you're connecting to, only then you can reset, because obviously after the reset, it will again ask you for the credentials which you must have. Now, just go to the start menu, right here, settings, click on that. And after that, we click on network and internet on our left. And on the right hand side, after that, you need to locate to advanced network settings. Here it is at the bottom. And in more settings, we see the fourth option as network reset. The position might be different, but we need to click on this option, network reset. And before even clicking reset now, you need to read all of these instructions on the top. If this is what you want to do, just click on reset now, click yes. And it says you will be signed out in a few minutes. Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. That's okay. Close out of here. And then instead of waiting for 5 minutes, you can manually restart your computer. Okay, so I have restarted my computer, and after that, just try connecting to the network, whatever you are connecting to. Just make sure that you remember the credentials, and you should be having no problem after that. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.